I had a student email me and asking me how to convert a mass that is presented in AMU into mega electron volts. So 1 AMU or 1 U is the mass equivalency of 1/12 of the mass of an atom of carbon-12, which is 1.66 10 to the negative 27 kilogram, or 166 10 to the negative 24 gram, depending if you're looking in the chemistry measurements or in physics. So we're using it in physics, and I'm going to use it as 166 10 to the negative 27 kilogram. The 1 electron volt is the measure of the energy, and so the energy would be equal to charge times the voltage. And if you leave the charge as a charge of an electron and look at 1 volt, you get electron volts. So you can always convert energy from joules to electron volts. You would multiply the energy that you find in joules by the charge of an electron, and you can convert electron volts into joules. So to show the equivalency between AMU and mega electron volts, I'm going to write the formula E equals to mc squared. For the mass, I'm going to have 1 U, or 1.66 10 to the negative 27 kilogram, and times it by c squared, which is 310 to the 8 meters per second. But the actual number, and I'm going to use the actual number, is 2.998 10 to the 8, and that one is squared. So if I multiply these numbers, I'm going to get my answer in joules, and that is 1492 10 to the negative 11 joules. And if I want to convert this into mega electron volts, I will divide this number by 1.602 10 to the negative 19 joules. And that will be the final answer, which is 931 10 to the 6 electron volts, or 931 mega electron volts. So 1 U is equal to 931.5, the exact number, mega electron volts over c squared. So if I wanted to convert the mass of the proton, so the mass of the proton is given 1.67262 10 to the negative 27 kilogram into mega electron volts per second. Then to convert it at first into U, so mass of the proton in AMUs, I would have to divide it by 166. So I will have to divide it by 1.66 10 to the negative 27, both of them negative 27, and I'm going to get 1.0076 AMU. Then to convert the mass of the proton into mega electron volts over c squared, I would have to multiply this number, the one that I just found, by 931.5, and that will give me 938.56 0.58 and measured in mega electron volts over C squared. And I found this table from Pearson Hall, and I thought I'm going to share this in this video as well. You can see how each element mass was converted into AMU and then converted to mega electron volts per C squared.